Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna. In my next video, I'm telling how we can feel that the front one who is talking with us very easily, smoothly, they are actually depressed. They are not feeling well in themselves. And they have, can say, a big pain inside their emotions. Someone means kinds of their heart's feeling in which they are just bonded by the dark shade of negativity and sadness. Can we feel them? Can we understand them? Yes, absolutely, very easily. Because sometimes something very seems very rude and very hard to all of us by the front one, their behavior, their words, their negativities. But here needs of our understanding they are doing their any kinds of activities in real or by other ways. Maybe some kinds of other ways behind their emotions are applicable, noticeable, and there, if we notice them, then we are really the real, can say, doing our worship. Worship, yes, it is. So understand someone's feeling according to our own side, because we have to feel only according to them. They are feeling in themselves very sad and very harsh feeling in them. Then we can feel our emotions according to them. Then we understand what kinds of feeling they have and what they are actually feeling right now. This is not any time, can say, hard. Sometimes it is so rude and it is very difficult to understand and recognize. So sometimes we see someone came in our life, their behavior, their activities, their words are not similar like their past. They are not looking normal, means they are looking so normal. Their behaviors are so normal. But sometimes some kinds of feeling inside them, we can feel that this is not like past, means like normal, can say. So here our sympathetic behavior, our honest intentions for them are the real medicine and boon for them. Real support, can say. Maybe they did their in their past time wrong with us. Okay, just let them go. Because we have to keep our understanding and care for them in positive way and honest way. And we can do this. So here support of them according to our thoughts will matters a lot. And here we have to understand their attaining roles, what kinds of roles they are doing in their activities, in their behaviors. We have to notice them, we have to understand them, analyze them smoothly with calm and patience, and understand what the way we should do, we should give them for their peace, relaxation. This is also can say the remedy, the care for them. And we can provide our best intention, supportive roles to them, to making them feel polite, calm and smooth in themselves. And this is the greatest medicine, can say, for them. If they feel calm, they have the right and smooth, peaceful nap in their daily routine, then we can provide them easily a calm medicine in the form of their relaxation. And it is not so hard. Here only we have to understand their sides, their emotions very deeply. Yes, it is sometimes very hard to understand, but we can, because here no other any ways we all have instead of understanding them. Because according to their front activities, they are doing their very wrong and hard actions. Sometimes actions also, can say, the hard way. So politely we have to understand them. We have to provide them our calm words, reliable words, sometimes according to them also. Like a kid, we have to make them polite, calm. This is also the medicine for them. So we can do easily. So nothing is so hard if someone is doing in those kinds of activities in front of you or in your areas. So try to understand them, support them, help them with your care, and firstly honesty, because honesty comes first for them. We have to keep our mind in honest way to for their support and care. This is also the kinds of soothing remedy for them. I hope all of you understand them, and my this one thought is very helpful and supportive to all of you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful time. Radhe Radhe.